So these are the best codes for Sonic Speedrun Simulator. So I've actually used most of these and they've helped out so much. I'm going to show you how to use them and what codes you should use. So go to shop on the right side and then tap on redeem codes. As you can see, there's Game Pass, Gold Rings, Boosts, and redeem codes. Here is where we're going to redeem the codes. The first code will be 1 billion. So just simply type that in, 1 billion, and there you go. We have successfully redeemed 1 billion. And as you can see, I have my very own pet, which is my own character. This is an amazing code, so make sure you use it right now. And now the other codes that we can use are Race to Win, which gives you 100 race tickets. Hooray 50k gives you 30 minutes with a triple XP boost. Thank You Chew gives you 1 credit to chew. 40k Thank You, 30 minutes ring boost. Thumbs Up gives you 1 Bloxy and Chow. Amazing 35 gives you 30 minutes magnet boost, 25k 30 minutes magnet boost as well. And the fan chow codes are the Final Fans Part 2, the Final Fans Part 1, one more fan Part 2, one more fan Part 1, and for the fans. You can use all of these codes right now because they haven't expired yet, but make sure you use them quickly and just pause the video if you want to go on ahead and copy and paste. But yeah, these are the working codes that you can use for your own gameplay and also to basically enhance your gameplay with all of these extra coupons and extra money that you will get by getting these codes. But in my opinion, the best one is the 1 billion code because you get your own pet, which looks like your avatar. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.